So today's topic is matter in our surrounding. Okay, it is from class 10. Sorry, class 9. Okay, science class. Matter in our surrounding. Matter means whatever we see, our surrounding, our house, home, everything is composed of matter. Okay, so matter we know from the beginning earlier class that matter is of three types, mainly three types, that is solid, liquid or gaseous. So actually in atomic structure and atoms and molecules chapter we have discussed that whatever we see in the matter form actually composed of atom, and atoms are get interacted and bonded to form molecules. Many molecules gives this feature of matter. So what happens in matter actually composed of many atoms, molecules we can say. So actually what happens many molecules present inside the matter, and it has seen that the molecules attracts each other. That's why they are present inside the matter. Means they are not they are not going out. Okay, because of the attractive force working inside the matter. So this interaction, this attractive force is variable in such manner that solid state, liquid state and gaseous states are there. In solid state what happens, the attractive force is much more, and for that reason the molecules present very close to each other in the solid state. Likewise in liquid state it is less compared to solid state, the attractive force is less. So what happens, the distance between the molecules is higher than the solid state. Okay, and attractive force is almost nil in case of gaseous state. In gaseous state molecules are free to move. That's why their velocity, their speed is much more, and that's why their kinetic energy is also high, because kinetic energy is the measure of the velocity the molecules have. The more the more the velocity or speed of a molecule or atom, the more is the kinetic energy. So in gaseous state the molecules are highest speedy in nature. That's why they are having maximum kinetic energy. So the basic thing is we need to remember that is in the solid state the attractive force is very high, and that's why the intermolecular distance, means the distance between two molecules, is less. And in case of liquid state the attractive force is lesser than the solid state. That's why the distance is higher than the solid state. And in case of gaseous state the attractive force is almost nil. We may say that no attractive force is present in between the molecules inside the gaseous state. That's why the distance between two molecules is much more. Okay, almost they are free to move. So now see, this is the solution case. What is showing here, see, salt is added in water. What happens, salt is a solid state, so salt is composed of many salt. In case of daily usable salt, that is sodium chloride. Okay, so sodium chloride means NaCl. So NaCl is having a sodium atom and a chloride atom, that are bonded to form NaCl, that is sodium chloride. This compound is dissolved in water. So what happens, Na plus and Cl minus ions are formed in the aqueous system. So this is the solution mechanism. Okay, so solution means the solid state particles are dissolving or propagating through the aqueous system or water. Okay, so one thing, so this one, okay, this one is just the dilution case, like when 100 milliliter of water we add 10 gram NaCl, then the solution will be made, and in another fraction, in 200 ml of water we added 20 ml of sodium chloride. Then what will happen, this will be more concentrated, means more salt is present inside the aqueous system. So characteristics of particles of matter. Particles means the molecule, you may imagine. Okay, so I have already discussed this part. Characteristics of particles in matter. One is means solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. Okay, so these I have discussed already. Particles of matter attract each other. Yeah, that is discussed already. Okay, attracts each other. Okay, states of matter. Solid state, basic feature I have discussed already, and some other features I should say here. See, means shape of the solid state is present, right? We know solid state has specific shape, but in case of liquid state, no specific shape. Means 1 liter of water, when we keep in the bottle, then the water gets bottle shape. When we keep this in a mug, then it gets mug shape. Like this, shape is not fixed. Where we locating or where we keeping the liquid, that's matter. But in case of solid state, it has specific shape. In gaseous state, no shape and no volume. In case of solid state, volume is present, specific volume is there, and in case of liquid also specific volume is there. But in case of gaseous, no specific volume, because the atoms are free, the molecules are free in the gaseous state. They can move in every direction, so they are free to move from each other. So that's why they make much more volume. Like if we keep in a 1 liter bottle, 1 liter bottle, then it gets 1 liter. If we keep in 10 liter, same amount, means same mass of gaseous gas, then it again gives the much more volume, means 10 liter. Likewise, they are free to move. Okay, so these so solid state, liquid state, solid state and liquid state. Solid state is has shape, liquid state has no shape, gaseous state has no shape. Solid state has specific volume, liquid state is also having specific volume, but gaseous state is not having any specific volume. Okay, so these are the primary or basic features. Okay, so two terms is there. LPG means liquefied petroleum gas, that we use in cooking purpose. Okay, liquefied petroleum gas. So petroleum gas, last word is gas, means gas. This is a gaseous form, but liquefied, these are made to become liquid by applying pressure. Actually, what happens in LPG gas cylinder, whatever we use in the cooking purpose, there very high pressure is applied to get the to make the gas concentrated, means very condensed. That's why they become liquefied. They acts like liquid. That's why liquefied petroleum gas. In case of compressed natural gas, CNG, that are mostly used in the vehicles, especially in the polluted area like Delhi, New Delhi. That is very polluted locality. That's why government directed to use CNG, compressed natural gas. Compressed, this is also compressed and natural gas. Natural gas means here fossils, from fossils like things we get these gases. That's why compressed natural gas. Okay, naturally originated. Okay, solid, liquid and gas, it is done. Okay, effect of temperature. Okay, temperature, effect of temperature I will discuss in later classes. Okay, for now this is done. Okay, thank you.